Hello, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is how to kill a kit with style, and I decided to use this sketch from Christine Davison. So there's the sketch, and I will link obviously everything down below. As you could probably tell, last week when I did my process video or my layout share in my August how to kill a kit, the kit itself, I want to get almost all of my pictures done of the first retreat that I went on through Heather from Heather's Crafty Life. And these are all 8.5 by 11 layouts because I decided to get an album for all of these and it works out perfectly. So with that all being said, I am here cutting and getting it ready. So the very first, or like the major paper of it, has this funky design, so I distressed it, and I distress all of the papers that are put on there. And remember, this particular kit that I am using is from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. It had all of Dear Lizzie's colorful collection. Let me see what it is. Stay Colorful collection. And in this collection though too, when Christina Sorge put this together, there are some papers in there that are from like Heidi Swap and a couple others. So just to let you know too. But here I am, I'm just placing down all of the layers. There's probably about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different layers. I don't put all of the layers down, but pretty close. And I hope that you have been enjoying this series all summer long. I cannot believe that we are already into August. My daughter started school today. I'm like, let's be honest, holy crap. That's where I'm sitting at. But ultimately, this has been a fun series, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed this as well. Make sure that you go and check out everybody else throughout the month of August. I will have everybody linked down below, and just keep checking back periodically. Some have done it every month, some have done it when they can. Some of them haven't done any videos, but they have done their layout shares. So just make sure that you check out everybody when you are checking out mine, just to see what everybody is doing. I know that I have seen some wonderful layouts and wonderful shares and all that kind of stuff. So make sure you go check them out. Here I am now. I'm just placing down all of, I remember, my ATG gun decided to be, I don't know, funny, and I decided, why kick this out? You guys all can see that, hey, it happens to us too. Why cut out some of the stuff that had happened? Yep, there it was. And my little Betsy of an ATG gun has been very good, but it has also given me the troubles. Oh, my husband's here. That was my husband's hand. Yep, he tends to stop in, always wants to talk to me, and then he's wondering why I never want to sit and chat. Like, I know in the land of YouTube I could cut this out, but why? Just leave me alone. But there I am. Now I'm doing some layering on my pictures. I don't do too many. I think this is the only one I actually do. Believe it or not, I kept this pretty simple and almost to the T of what the sketch looks like. And also make sure that if you have not done so already, make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel, and make sure that you hit the notification. Because I do know that sometimes people just miss that I have a new process video. I'm so close. I'm over 700 subbies right now, and I am almost to my goal of 1,000 subscribers by November. That was my goal when I started my channel, and I've been doing really well. I am on, if we want to call it, the 4th quarter. I'm getting close to my goal. I'm only September, October, November. I started my YouTube channel about mid-November, so I am about 3.5 months out of my goal. So that's roughly about 100 subscribers a month until I get to my 1,000 subscribers. So I'm super duper excited for that. I'm very excited. And of course, you guys know that I will be doing a giveaway. The last one I gave out $25, $50, $75 worth of product. I got a gift card from A Cherry on Top that ships nationwide. And I also got a $25 gift card from Cheeky Studio that has also landed some amazing products to a giveaway. And who knows, I may be doing something different this time around, but you know obviously there will be a giveaway. Also, I am super excited. There is a thing that is going around. People may catch on, may not catch on. But have you guys ever heard of Scrap Member for September? If not, stay tuned. You will find out what that means. I'm super excited for that. There's a bunch of us ladies that are doing it, and I cannot wait to see what you guys think of it. So here I am. I'm placing my journaling. This layout went super duper quick. I am pretty much done. I put down some embellishments and my date stamp, and I also used Vibes Glorious Days for some splatters, and the still shots are coming up, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!